कुछ लोगों का होता है ना, बाय बर्थ एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं, हमें तो बिजनेस ही करना था, अच्छा होगा, सब दिवाली है, घर पे पहली सैलरी आएगी, कुछ लेके जाएंगे घर वालों के लिए. When you've gone through so many cycles for such a long time, you know today is bad, tomorrow maybe even worst. Responsibility comes very early when you grow up alone.
I'm sure एक या दो लोग और होंगे internationally, those who have been as young as you are. Hi everyone, this is Ritika Singh, CEO and founder of Content Factory. Welcome to the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and God knows how many more shows that we are going to do for Thai Chandigarh Talks. Today I am with one of my most favorite people, and I'm absolutely privileged to introduce to you Mr. Harit Mohan, CEO and founder of Significant, and also the ex-president of Thai Chandigarh. He's also been a TEDx speaker and also, yes, 40 under 40. So I'm going to be asking you a bunch of questions. Harit, how does it feel to be on this show?
Pleasure to be here again. Thank you, Thai Chandigarh Talks, for inviting me as a guest. And Ritika, it's always wonderful to come and talk to you.
Thank you so much. I'm taking that as a big compliment. So let's start with the first question, Harit. When did you think about entrepreneurship? Because it is not something that people do out of, see, you either become an entrepreneur to create some impact, create value, kuch na kuch kahin pe, there is some sense of design when you think of being an entrepreneur. What was your journey all about?
Right. I think entrepreneurship happened. कुछ लोगों का होता है ना, बाय बर्थ एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं, हमें तो बिजनेस ही करना था. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि हमने बड़ा ड्रीम रखा था, गाड़ियाँ, बंगलाज एंड ऑल. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. मतलब आई हैड बेसिक 3 ideas when I was growing up कि I should with my first job I should buy a Skoda car. A Skoda car was very good in those days. And second was कि अच्छा एक decent घर हो, and you should have a good family together to live with. That's it. I mean, very simple. Uh, but things probably were planned the other way around. I still call myself as more of an accidental entrepreneur, and thank God that accidental thing happened today. It was more of a plunge, when I was working somewhere before here. I was doing some wonderful work with them. It didn't work out with them, and then I felt a little betrayed that this should have not have happened with me. And then I decided कि यार अब बहुत हुआ. I've served enough people. It's time to just work by myself, and I just took a plunge at that time. So
And I do remember because you and I have interacted
yes,
far more than
before,
what we are
yes.
doing right now. We know each other as friends, also as colleagues for almost 5 years. You did have a very big betrayal amongst, the first one or two companies that you guys set up and decided to run. And you are still a single co-founder company, and you're a huge company, one of the companies that Chandigarh or the North region is extremely proud of. So how was that panned out for you?
आई थिंक इट हैपन फॉर गुड. तब गुस्सा आता था. इट वॉज अराउंड यही कुछ टाइम था, सितंबर अक्टूबर का, व्हेन वी आर रिकॉर्डिंग दिस शो. This was very close to Diwali.
I remember.
And I was in my first job. एक मतलब हम लोग का ट्रेनिंग हुआ. आई वॉज ऑफ कोर्स जॉइंड एज एन इंटर्न इन मुंबई बेस्ड कंपनी. एंड देन अक्टूबर के टाइम पे लगा कि यार मतलब अच्छा होगा, सब दिवाली है, घर पे पहली सैलरी आएगी, कुछ लेके जाएंगे घर वालों के लिए. And then October happened, and what happened was one fine day HR called us, and HR just said कि एक बार बुलाया, हमें लगा टिकट्स देंगे. They may be posting us to Gurgaon office because it was close to Chandigarh where I live, and they just handed over the pink slip, which is mean that you're gone. This is right after like barely 45 days into the organization, and it was the hardest way. And a lot of times after my studies from IIT, अच्छा लगता था, एक अच्छी नौकरी लगी, 50,000 की सैलरी 2008 में. बहुत अच्छा अमाउंट था, अभी भी है, बट तब बहुत ही अच्छा अमाउंट हुआ करता था.
Sure.
So I was very happy, and then everything felt that you lost it. But now to your question, how does it feel now? I think it was like connecting dots. Everything happened for good. वो नहीं होता तो शायद मैं इससे पहले वाला स्टार्टअप ना करता. इससे पहले स्टार्टअप ना होता तो मेरे को बिट्रेल ना मिलता. वो बिट्रेल ना मिलता तो आज मैं सिग्निसेंट ओपन ना करता. सिग्निसेंट ना खोलता तो शायद whatever we have achieved together with my team, with everybody's help along, वो सब नहीं होता. So when I look back, I think it happens for the good. जिस जो भी मतलब हो रहा है, just take it with a pinch of salt and sugar sometime. कभी कभी आपको help कर देता है. Just stay along, hang on, and it will eventually work out.
Yeah, I'm so happy for you for that, Harit, because it's been quite a journey with you, and also since you've, I'm touching a little sensitive topic here, you've grown up without a father
Yeah.
and not having that fatherly figure and that kind of, backing or the kind of support a regular person will get in a family, and then to go ahead and do IIT Madras, right?
Yeah.
And still, manage, and now you have a company with 200 people. You guys have amazing turnovers. I hope that is, allowed to be said here, or you can, I don't know, I'm just leaving it out
That's
there.
fine.
But I'm sure it must have been a very, very difficult journey for you, even growing up in your younger days.
Right. I think hai responsibility comes very early when you grow up alone. So I think I'm still highly indebted to my mother, my grandparents. Of course, the way they have kind of helped me grow up the way I am today. मेरे को लगता है कि हाँ वो हुआ स्मॉल स्टोरी मुझे बताते हैं मतलब मुझे तो याद नहीं मतलब व्हेन आई टॉक टू माई मदर और सम ऑफ आवर ओल्ड रिलेटिव्स तो मुझे काफ़ी सालों तक यही बताया गया था कि पापा आए स्कूटर पे बैठे और वो कहीं चले गए हैं बट ही विल कम बैक वन डे सो फॉर गुड so he passed away when I was barely a year old.
Yeah,
So I don't have even a single memory of his. I of course have some pictures which my mom keeps close, but that's it. There are no other memories in my mind. So whatever I have learned about my father is through these talks that happens in the family, and that I think for a long time is kept out ताकि impact ना पड़े बच्चों पे and all. So I think मैं 6 7 8 साल का रहा हूँगा जब मुझे ये समझ में आया that I don't have a father per se. तब तक तो आपको पता ही नहीं होता आप मतलब ग्रैंड फादर को भी फादर बोलते हो अपने तो बट देन आई थिंक दैट्स फाइन अगर होना था तो वो हो गया my parents, my mom and my grandparents and my chacha chachi ji, I've lived with them. I've done my schooling from there. They haven't made me feel even a single time that I don't have my father, which I'm very proud of. That
I'm sure.
that my none of my relatives, even my bua and everybody else, मतलब बहुत अच्छे से pamper. I was the first child in the family. I'm really happy the way they have kind of done my upbringing, the ethics that they have given to me. जो भी है बहुत अच्छे से हुआ. You cannot kind of complain to God.
Absolutely, yeah.
Again, I've learned it hard way. जो होता है अच्छे के लिए शायद होता है, नहीं होता है तो आपको अच्छा बनाना पड़ता है. But yeah, that's fine.
That must have been a very tough journey indeed. And do you think that children of single parents have some kind of additional sense of responsibility, additional, that yearning to succeed in life to kind of justify
Yes.
that? ये होता है? Do you
ये
think
होना
that's-
चाहिए. मेरे को लगता है कि दोनों एक्सट्रीम्स हो जाते हैं. या तो आप हाथ से निकल जाते हो या आप फिर मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबल बन जाते हो. दोनों एक्सट्रीम्स हो सकते हैं. आई हैव सीन प्रोबेबली सम एग्जाम्पल्स वेयर इन लॉस्ट पेरेंट हैव पुश्ड पीपल टू into drugs, into alcohol at very young age, or just being not taking care of responsibility. And then there are examples where not having one of the parent has given that initial responsibility to you, that you have to do everything hands on, things will come very quickly to you before the age actually. So I think it can go either way. It depends on you and of course your family that you're being nurtured by. So both extremes are very much possible and equally possible.
And मैं तो क्या मतलब the entire community, international community, Thai की otherwise, we all swear by your ethics and your humility, and I think this just makes you one of the most amazing people that I know. It's not even about your professional setup. It's just the kind of person that you are, and there's just so much of learning that comes from you. So tell me one thing, Harit, that when you set up Significant, what were you thinking at that point of time?
आई थिंक तब तो बस एक ये था कि यार बहुत लोगों ने बाहर निकाल दिया है, अब खुद के लिए कुछ करना है. ट्रस्ट मी दैट्स इट. हाँ मतलब बहुत हो गया. व्हेन आई केम बैक टू चंडीगढ़ आफ्टर दिस दिस स्टोरी दैट हैपेंड विद माय लास्ट कंपनी, सो मुझे लगा था कि यार अब मतलब जॉब तो मिल ही जाएगी. एंड एक कॉन्फिडेंस था. यू वर्क यू कम आउट फ्रॉम अ गुड कॉलेज, जॉब तो लगी जाएगी, मतलब खाली भी तो नहीं बैठेंगे, तो पक्का था. मतलब वो कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है व्हेन यू हैव अ गुड पेडिग्री. नॉनदलेस मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार अब मतलब खुद करना ही चाहिए. enough of enough is it. I still remember I had offers from some of the good companies within the Tri-City who are still member of TIE.
Oh, really?
Yes, and I don't know, उनको लगता होगा क्यों hire नहीं किया.
Life comes a full circle.
I did apply.
हाँ.
I did get interview by them. It's their bad they
This
did
is
not
news to
select
me.
me.
I can't believe this. Oh my God. And this is how many years back, Harit?
This must be I think 2010 2012 वाली range में.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Yeah,
Okay.
so their loss.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. So, what exactly does Signition do?
So we do started as a core IP company wherein so मुझे टेक्नोलॉजी समझ में आता था, स्टार्टिंग से R&D समझ में आता था, तो उसी एरिया में मेरी पहली जॉब लगी, उसी एरिया में मैंने अपना कंपनी ओपन किया. और वही आई थिंक जो आपने सीखा है उसमें रिस्क कम हो जाता है. सो दैट्स वेयर वी स्टार्टेड ऑफ. टुडे ऑफ कोर्स वी डू अबाउट 75 plus different things around technology area. And it goes, you know, like similar to what KPMG, Deloitte, or the Big Four
Fantastic.
does. We are on path that, you know, that can happen from Chandigarh. We can scale up a big company like Big Four in next decade or so. That's our vision. That's what we are, you know, kind of consistently working with. That anything, everything R&D, anything, everything, you know, new products that you see in the world, the things that you would see, be it EVs, be it nanoparticles, be it biotech, be it pharma, be it core electronics, anything, you know, those technologies is what our capacity is, and anything that we need to do regarding its research, regarding its intellectual property, regarding its competitive intelligence, mergers and acquisitions, वो हम सब करना चाहते हैं, मतलब उस space में.
Fantastic.
So that's the single line vision that we are kind of right now building, you know, the company at.
And you know, I've always teased you about this, that जब मेरे को और कुछ नहीं मिलेगा करने के लिए तो मैं आपके कंपनी में आके नौकरी कर लूँगी, because I think the kind of culture and the kind of ethos you have built for Significant is absolutely beyond phenomenal. I mean, I usually use the word phenomenal. In your case, I'm saying beyond phenomenal, because I have very closely observed how you interact, because largely हम लोग आप ही के ऑफिस में बैठ के समोसे खा रहे होते थे. But having said that, has it ever occurred to you that maybe when you started you were a small company and you know we really don't know where we go at some stage, but आपको कभी ये लगा है कि you should probably be moving or shifting offices and moving your base? Of course I understand family is here, but from a purely professional point of view, from scaling up, for just you know being seen in the right community.
Yeah, I think देखो community तो यहाँ पे भी अच्छी बन गई है. I think 10-12 years when I started this, we were just kind of seeding, you know, our first steps. We are taking our first steps into the business. तब से लेके अब तक 10-12 साल में चंडीगढ़, मोहाली, Tri-City area has come a way ahead. And I'm sure it will keep going ahead. To the second question, we aren't that big that, you know, we can go. We still kind of, you know, I think we are in adolescent stage, so to say, you know, of our organization. You know, we still have that energy. We're still experimenting. We're still, you know, trying to learn from our mistake. तो उसी एज में है, मतलब वी आर लेट्स से 11-12 years old, वहीं मतलब टीन एज आपका एडोलेसेंट शुरू हो जाता है. सो वी डू एनालॉजी इन दैट वे. और जहाँ तक एक्सपेंशन की बात रही, क्रॉस बॉर्डर, आई थिंक आई गॉट यू नो फॉर्चुनेट, ट्रेवल काफ़ी किया ड्यू टू माई ऑफिस, एंड यू नो वी वर्कड अ लॉट. अगर एक्सपेंशन के लिए जाना भी पड़ेगा, वी आर नॉट gonna restrict ourselves, be it within India or outside India also. So we are all game for that, and let's see, you know, how does business grows further, you know, how does this economy keep supporting us, you know, with all this you know turmoil that keep happening, kabhi COVID, kabhi Ukraine war, kabhi kuch, kabhi kuch. So being an international dependent company, these things do impact us. Budget cuts do come in our way, recessions do come in our way, so it does get slow sometimes, but then, you know, that's our founders task to keep accelerating no matter what other
करता है ना थोड़ा सा,
बहुत ज़्यादा करता है और often करता
है ना. but you being the calm person that we know you are, so शायद हमें नजर नहीं आता.
काम रहना पड़ता है ऑप्शन के.
नहीं, I'm telling you, option तो बहुत है, but I think you just choose to be like this. So I also wanted to ask you this question, that फाउंडर्स के लिए सबसे बड़ी मुश्किल बात यही होती है, इज़ टू that resilience that we talk about is to not give up and continue. And there are good days and there are bad days and there are just really ugly days. So how do you cope on those really ugly days?
Ugly
Personally,
days,
चाहे
no, no.
हमें
So
ना दिखा हुआ, but
ugly days are होते हैं. I will be lying, or any entrepreneur will be lying. I think ugly days ज़्यादा भी होते हैं खुश
I'm
रहने
sure.
वाले दिनों से.
Right.
तो मुझे लग रहा है कि वो रिस्क बेयरिंग, वो कैपेसिटी, वो पेशेंस ना आपको एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप सिखा देती है. जस्ट हैंग ऑन देयर. मतलब कुछ ऐसा, कोई ऐसा वो नहीं है. अगर इफ़ यू स्टार्ट रिएक्टिंग टू एवरीथिंग दैट यू वुड कम अक्रॉस, you will start playing with your mental health. You will affect your health in general. You will also impact the mental health of a lot of people around you, चाहे घर में हो, चाहे ऑफिस में हो.
That is so true.
So you have to soak it in, as much as you can.
तो आप क्या बोलते हो अपने आप को? What do you tell yourself on a bad day?
I think when you've gone through so many cycles for such a long time, today is bad, tomorrow maybe even worst. Third day could be, you will give up. Fourth day will start coming back. This is multiple cycles that I have at least personally gone through. कुछ महीने ऐसे बेकार जाते थे. Starting में तो बहुत ज़्यादा था. There's no regular workflow. Good people leaving the organization.
That's
competitors doing their tricks to make sure that you don't stand on your feet.
You've been through that as well?
Of course. And then governments sending you some or other kind of reminders that you're not compliant, and all those things. Because जब आप शुरू कर रहे हो, you tend to ignore. आपको लगता है काम करो, पैसे लो, काम करो. So ये सब चीज़ें आई थिंक पिछले 5 साल में हमने बहुत ज़्यादा सीखी. धक्के खा के सीखी, हार्ड वे सीखी, नुकसान करके सीखी. बट अब सीख ली. और तब पेशेंस लूज भी होता था. बहुत रात को नींद भी नहीं आती थी. अभी भी कभी कभी होता है.
That happens still?
Of course. And then once in a while this will happen. And then I think next day you come back, you have to have that smile on your face. One, you do not want to show it to your employees कि यार
things are not going good.
Things are not going good. This will just send the panics to them. However, I now have started sharing a little more with my seniors, at least, because they should also grow up. They have to learn. This is my responsibility as CEO also. कि नहीं यार अब आपको सीखना पड़ेगा. You have to come in, start taking more roles, because I see some of you replacing me in the future.
Right.
Unless I'm not giving you enough opportunities to see कि क्या क्या जाता है एक regular day में मेरे.
Right.
It will be difficult. So to some of them I pick and choose, start giving them important decisions. Start sharing them some of those stress moments, so that they develop if they are the right person to run it. Because if I have to expand, I have to give it to somebody what I am doing today, so that I can step out. So that process is always going on, always evolving.
Okay, so on a lighter note, I'm sure you're talking about delegation and all, but हम लोगों ने सबने आपको personally as the president of TiE चंडीगढ़ अपने आप बैठ के PPTs में changes करते हुए देखा है, Excel sheets बनाते हुए देखा है, which is the last thing a president should be doing in the larger scheme of things. But you were the only one that broke the mold for all of us, and I'm like, यार ये कैसा president है हमारा जो बैठ के Excel sheets बना रहा है, सब कुछ कर रहा है. So how do you balance that delicate thing about delegating and then also making sure that you are still a part of the process? And
I think वो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक तो टाई के साथ जो प्रेसिडेंसी पीरियड इज जस्ट 12 months.
Right.
12 months में ना you do not have 3 months to train a resource.
True.
The way you want him or her to run, and you cannot keep expecting कि मतलब multiple iterations होंगी. Office में हम ये कर सकते हैं because we know that this guy or this girl is with us for years to come, long time. I have endless period. There is no cap to it. तो वो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें आपको मतलब थोड़ी ध्यान रखनी पड़ती हैं. एंड हैंड्स ऑन में मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम लगी नहीं है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आई हैव 2 phases. अगर मैं अंदर जाऊँगा तो वो अच्छे से चला जाऊँगा एंड आई विल सॉल्व इट. एंड इट इज़ नॉट बिकॉज आई डोंट ट्रस्ट माई पीपल अराउंड दैट दे कैन नॉट डू इट. आई ट्राई कि शायद जो मुझे पता है वो सीख लें, ताकि नेक्स्ट टाइम आई डोंट नीड टू रिपीट दैट टास्क अगेन एवर. एंड अगर इसके लिए मुझे 3 बार भी उनके सामने खुद से करके दिखाना पड़ेगा, आई विल डू इट. बट डिपेंड करता है सामने वाला सीखने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है. क्योंकि अगर मैं करता रहूँगा और ही इज जस्ट थिंकिंग और शी इज जस्ट थिंकिंग यार ये कर ही लेंगे, मतलब लेट मी नॉट डू इट, then I'll not do it either. But if it is like यार ठीक है, with every time I doing it, he or she is absorbing 30-40% of how I'm doing it, I think I'll love to keep doing it, because नहीं तो training होगी नहीं. Everybody will think everybody around is perfect, and nobody wants to do that job of making them perfect. Then you cannot imagine success without it. And I think हमने Significant भी ऐसे ही बनाया. I had no money, in the beginning.
I'm
कितने पैसे
sure.
होते थे यार?
हाँ.
8-10 हज़ार से interns hire करते थे, वहीं से scratch से लेके गए हैं. तो अगर मैं नहीं सिखाता तो कौन सिखाता? मतलब I am not a funded company, or you never
Exactly, you're one of those very few ones which just stood up by
bootstrap,
themselves completely.
तो वो शायद आदत आ गई, डीएनए में आ गया कि कुछ नहीं होगा तो हम खुद कर लेंगे. एंड ज़रूरी भी है, रूट से कनेक्टेड रहना भी चाहिए. यू डोंट नो हाउ the ride will be in the next 5-10 years. You cannot lose your touch, and it has its own advantages. While it may have some disadvantage, but I think it has a lot of advantages, at least with a growing organization or a growing company.
Sure. So, coming to Thai, you were one of the youngest presidents, I think, this side of the country, or maybe even more. I'm sure एक या दो लोग और होंगे internationally, those who have been as young as you are, and sitting presidents of a particular Thai chapter. What has been the difference that you have seen in running Significant vis-a-vis 100% not-for-profit volunteer organization like Thai? How do you think that has happened with you?
I think ये पहले से ही जब मैंने I worked with a lot of other presidents, when I and you kind of started together, and I think the learnings, we also exchange of notes. I've learned a lot from you also, while I was climbing my process in. जो मुझे समझ में आया ना कि one is a voluntary job, one is society, one is community, one is your own organization.
Right.
To one organization you are paying, you can set up very important KPIs. At the end of the day, since you're paying, you can आप हक से मांग सकते हो कि ये करके दे देना. We have client deadlines, we have whatever deadlines, internal deadlines. In community like Thai, the only way you could enforce is by giving respect, and at least giving the other person his due share of credit when it is done right.
Right.
So I think basics clear थे. मैंने अपनी पूरी कोशिश की कि जहाँ रिस्पेक्ट और क्रेडिट ड्यू है वहाँ पे देता रहूँ. आई एम नॉट पेइंग any of my volunteers. Neither I am getting paid for that matter with Thai. And I think if you are clear with that ethos, just 2-3 basic things, and you set aside your own personal clashes or personal motives, and just keep looking that how whatever I got from the last president, how could make some addition to it and give it to the next president. But simple 2-3 basics हैं. And I think you have to just stick to them, and anybody or everybody who has that thing to give to the community can do it.
Okay, and how tough is it to be the president of a Thai chapter, especially like Chandigarh? He's like, अब आप मैं बताता हूँ आपको.
नहीं ऐसा मेरे को ऐसा कोई टफ लगा नहीं. I think everybody, at least in my tenure, was very kind, very helpful, very supportive. मैं अभी भी मतलब लाखों बार बोल चुका हूँ और एक बार बोल रहा हूँ. This is no one person show. This cannot be done without team, and you need to a team which is equally passionate as you are. I was blessed to work with you, Satish, Puneet, in my tenure, and the past presidents, Robin, Jitin, and everybody else जिनके साथ मैंने work किया है. I've learned and I've tried to learn from everybody around me. और डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं है. हाँ, कुछ डिसीजंस आते हैं, बजट्स होते हैं, यू हैव टू रेज मनी, यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट एवरी डिसीजन दैट यू टेक टर्न्स आउट राइट, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे अगर अच्छा हुआ तो सबके लिए अच्छा होता है, बुरा है तो one person have to take it, and that one person I want to be me. At the end of the day, I was the person who was responsible for that particular year. एंड ये क्लियर ही था. तो बाय एंड लार्ज मुझे ऐसा कोई बहुत मुश्किल नहीं लगा. हाँ, हार्ड वर्क चाहिए. यू हैव टू गिव टाइम. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू प्रोबब्ली सेट असाइड देयर टाइम फॉर द कम्युनिटी वर्क unless your company is in some setup autopilot mode. There is some recurring revenue that can keep you floated for 2 years, 3 years. I think this could not be the ideal time for you to start thinking for such a job. But आपको लगता है कि एक अच्छा बिजनेस सेट है, डिसेंट है, your 100, 200, 300 employees can sustain even if you're not going into the office regularly. There's no micromanagement needed. Or if you are passionate to give back because you've learned from this community and you want to give, I think that's very important. anybody and everybody who satisfies these 2-3 conditions should aim to give back to whatever ranks, whatever way they can to the community.
Because now I'm going to be asking a very aspirational question, and I'm sure there are a lot of members from our community who'd like to know that what are the 2 to 3 things that you think that if any aspirational president should have in them? What kind of qualities should they have in them in order to even think that they could be? Of course, one is it's a no-brainer that it is all about passion, it is all about giving back to society, because ये इसमें कुछ आपको fame नहीं मिलता है, इसमें आपको कुछ पैसे नहीं मिलते हैं, there's nothing that happens here. But what do you think that if you were to give this advice to any aspirational community member who is looking to fit these shoes, then how would you?
मेरे को अभी भी यही लगता है रितिका कि एवरीबडी क्वालिफाइज जस्ट 2-3 थिंग्स कि अगर आपके पास अच्छा अच्छा एस्पिरेशन है, यू वांट टू डू गुड, you can you have good business, you have decent money, that the flow that will happen. अगर आपके पास अच्छे से कनेक्टिविटी है, पीपल लाइक यू अ लॉट, आई थिंक दैट्स प्रोबब्ली इट. आप कर सकते हो.
It's not, I mean,
it's not मतलब कुछ ऐसा rocket science नहीं है, you can do it.
Rocket science नहीं है, right? So what you're saying is it's not an undoable thing. Undoable नहीं है.
It's not undoable thing. You can do it. करना चाहिए, अगर टाइम है और कम्युनिटी में देने की ज़ील है तो करो.
You should do it.
Yeah.
And now my question is a little on the reverse side. This is all about you giving to TiE. I also want to understand there are so many communities in the this side of North now. How has TiE as a community been a huge part of what you have grown to be personally, professionally?
I think बहुत सारी communities हैं, and every community would have their own advantages and disadvantages. By any mean, I will not say one is better than other. It depends how are you seeing it.
Right.
I would however say that the power of TiE was or is that it is very much driven by the people. We the founders, we the people who take access. किस organization में ऐसा हो रहा होगा कि यार 50 of us, sleepless nights, 1-1.5 महीना हम as काम कर रहे हैं. I have seen a lot of us working. I have seen more than me people working, चाहे क्रिकेट का रहा, चाहे वो टाइकॉन रहा, चाहे प्रिकर्सर्स रहे, चाहे गोल्फ रहे. There are people who want to give, and this is not employee for TiE. They are all doing it for the benefit of TiE.
Right.
तो मेरे को नहीं लगता कि कोई भी इस तरह की कम्युनिटी है जहाँ मतलब 50 करोड़, 100 करोड़, 200 करोड़ के जो फाउंडर्स हैं वो एज अ वॉलंटियर आके ग्राउंड वर्क करते हैं. दे pick up phones, they give money, they give their connects, and most of them are doing it selflessly. Right. So ये जो है मुझे नहीं लगता कि किसी कम्युनिटी में रेप्लिकेट हो रहा होगा. अगर हो रहा है तो वी नीड टू वॉच आउट, बट आई थिंक अभी तक फॉर वट एवर आई हैव सीन होगा तो बहुत छोटे स्केल पे होगा. दिस इज़ कम टू वॉट 50-60 चैप्टर्स अक्रॉस ग्लोब, मोर देन इंडिया. वी आर in US and everywhere else. And this is only possible that the seed that is sown several years ago, 25 or odd years ago, I think it was planted very well, and then it was nurtured by the leaders of past and current in a very right way, that the message is loud and clear, because this is selfless timing that you have to give. And I think it will keep growing, and no other community who will be doing a similar model, it will be easy for them to catch up here.
Emulate this. And now specific question that personally, how have you grown as a as an individual? Professionally, of course, we all understand that it's all about giving and all. But
I think a lot. A lot of people ask me कि तुम इतना टाइम देते हो, कितना बिजनेस मिल गया.
करेक्ट
है ना. तो
और ये ऐसे सवाल अक्सर मम्मियाँ पूछती हैं.
बहुत आते हैं. मम्मी तो चलो, मेरी मम्मी ने शायद नहीं पूछा, बट आसपास की जो इतने सारे लोग हैं उन्होंने बहुत पूछा कि मतलब कितना बिजनेस आ गया, डिड इट हेल्प यू, मतलब इतना टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, क्यों कर रहे हो, क्यों कर रहे थे, काफ़ी बिजनेस आ. एंड आई सेड देम बॉस नो, मेरे को शायद बिजनेस नहीं लेना भी नहीं था, और होगा भी तो इनडायरेक्ट कभी होगा तो देखेंगे. इट वॉज नॉट एट ऑल फॉर वॉट आई गेट इन टू टाई विद. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड कि क्यों आया था और किस लिए आया था, एंड इट हैज़ हेल्प मी ग्रो एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर अ लॉट.
Right. So
And there
just I want you to elaborate a little on that.
I'll tell. So, one, entrepreneurship is a very lonely journey. You cannot talk out to your family or employees about the things that
The
you are
fears
facing
that you
through.
have,
One, it
yeah.
gave me a lot of good friends, like you and a lot of people that I've worked with. I can just pick up a phone कि मुझे कॉफ़ी पीनी है, let's discuss. And this is happening, and I'm glad that मैंने जो किया था आज शायद मेरे साथ भी हो रहा है. Last 10 days at least 3 or 4 people have walked into my office just like that कि यार हमें बात करनी थी, and that's it, no agenda
How lovely
conversations.
is that?
And I
Like,
think वो अच्छा लगता है कि शायद मेरे को किसी ने किया, अब मेरा मौका है तो मैं क्यों ना करूँ. And you get that. Second, what you get is you get access to a lot of things which you will spend a lot of your time. I think mentoring for founders is something that everybody ignores. हमारे को शायद स्टीरियोटाइप कर लिया जाता है कि यार फाउंडर है तो उसको सब कुछ आता होगा. ऐसा
Right.
कुछ नहीं है. आई थिंक आज भी मैं लर्न कर रहा हूँ और मैं आगे भी करूँगा. एंड आई हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ पीपल answering me when I, for example, how do I incorporate in United States? I don't know, मेरी फैमिली में किसी ने नहीं किया. मेरे को चाहिए हेल्प जिसने किया है उससे.
Right.
All that access you have. If I have, some taxation things, if I have some, regulatory things, if I have some questions that I need answer for, this is like free की networking business coaches को आप इतना पैसा देके लाखों देके सीखते हो, आपके पास वो access सारा पास में मिल जाता है.
Right.
है ना. And people do open up if they think that you are gonna not gonna hurt them and you respect them. So I think that is the second and the biggest advantage that I've got in Thai, that I've learned a lot when I came into the network. Third, it gives you access to a lot of organizations or people whom you want to sit with, otherwise which may take you a lot more time if you are a small or a mid-sized company. So that respect that come with this post, it is easy to meet Chief Minister by saying that I'm president of TiE Chandigarh versus saying a founder of Significant for at this stage. I think that's something that
says a lot.
that says a
That's a
lot,
lot, right.
and I think that probably would answer you. अब ठीक है मुझे business नहीं मिल रहा, which is fine, but this learning, this exposure, this friendships, these a lot of friends that I've made. ये भी कोई कम नहीं है. I think this plays a very equal role when you get into a chapter like TiE.
And it really helps the business in probably not in any direct ways, but probably in some indirect ways, because
Absolutely.
you are finding your solutions.
No, absolutely.
Which,
absolutely. Money
you
saved
know,
is money earned. So even
That
if
is
I
so
have
true.
saved money by taking some mentorship from my colleagues around, I would be probably first looking for somebody to get hired, pay him, and then I also don't know कि वो trustworthy है या नहीं.
That is true.
So
That's a
that
tough
ways.
one
Yeah.
again. So, Harit, in your journey so far, what do you think that आपके पास एक strength है which kind of sets you apart from other people? And I don't want you to be humble about it. I want you to really go all out and say, this is what I think is my biggest strength in my journey so far. Because as far as I know it, there is just tremendous amount of goodwill that you have amongst not just the local community, but even international, global. I mean, everybody I know has just said words of praise about you, and in such lovely ways from all angles, personally, professionally, especially talking about your skill set, your humility, etc., and the talent that you and the kind of vibrancy and fresh thought process that you bring.
आपने शायद
अभी
ज़्यादा
सारा कुछ बोल
summarize
दिया।
कर दिया. आपने
No, but
बहुत
still, I
ज़्यादा
want to hear what you think is your biggest strength.
मुझे नहीं पता कि ये strength है या weakness है. It depends what situation you are in and what things that you're trying to do. Whatever you've told is things that will come with practice. मैं कोशिश करता हूँ not to react, not to get involved in too many iffy things, और just stick to basics. मतलब ठीक है मजाक कर रहे हैं हम, we meet out and we talk also, but कोशिश यही रहती है कि यार मतलब करते रहो and let the circle of life come back. अगर आप अच्छा करोगे तो अच्छा आएगा, बुरा करोगे तो बुरा आएगा. बहुत सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट है, तो वही वही कोशिश हो रही है, मतलब आई डोंट नो क्यों कर रहे हैं वो, आप बताओ।
हाँ,
How hard-
existential question.
हाँ, तो वो है, बट ठीक है, मतलब चल रहा है अच्छे से, ट्राइंग माई लेवल बेस्ट नॉट टू मेक मोर enemies, मेक मोर फ्रेंड्स इंस्टेड, एंड जस्ट गिव इट। आई थिंक मेरे को एक चीज़ और लगी कि जो आप एक चीज़ मैंने ज़रूर करी है कि यार, मतलब जब लोग बोलते हैं अब अवेलेबल हो, मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि भावना खाऊँ, अवेलेबल रहूँ, एंड दैट्स इट। मतलब अगर टाइम है तो करना
That's
चाहिए,
so
अब
true.
नहीं हो, ट्रेवल कर रहे हो, बिजी हो, दैट्स फाइन। और आई थिंक दैट itself is enough for people. I think time is the most costliest asset today to
So
buy
true,
or
so
take
true.
for. अगर आप किसी को आधा घंटा 1 घंटा अपना दे देते हो, एंड आई डोंट नो इफ ही और शी gets their answers or not by this, sometimes you just need to hear people out यार,
Yeah, it's as
बस
simple
उनको
as that.
सुनना है ना,
हाँ,
मतलब आप
बिल्कुल.
सुन लो, है ना, वो सोक वाला पॉइंट है,
Right.
स्पॉन्जी बन जाओ, मतलब स्पॉन्ज की तरह, मतलब that's
That's it. And we know that you're very fond of traveling. है ना? That's your.
चॉइस नहीं।
No, I'm saying personal travel. So
हाँ,
I don't
personal
know, somehow
travel,
you managed to, in some way or the other, make sure that a professional travel is always, always, always converted
with a
additionally with a
personal,
personal
तो
this thing.
पैसे बचते।
Look at you. We're a total, middle class thinking type है ना ये.
नहीं, वो अच्छी बात भी है
I
ना,
know it's a good
हाँ,
thing. Huh? Again, like you said,
money
penny
saved is
saved is
money,
penny earned.
yeah.
Absolutely. So, Abhi, what is the next on your bucket list of travel?
अब तो यूएस है, मतलब to couple of weeks from here, same ways आप फिर हंसोगे, is just doing some work पहले and trying to get 10 days off after that. That's so है, वो चलता रहेगा। आई थिंक इट्स गुड वे ऑल्सो ना, वो पहले लगता है कि कुछ क्लाइंट से कमा लो, फिर
फिर उसी को
हाँ,
जाके
फिर उसी को, मतलब
उसी
है
को जाके उड़ा
ना,
दो. That's
नेगेटिव
what
में
you
वापस
do.
नहीं आओगे, एटलीस्ट
हाँ, that is so true.
नेट जीरो या नेट पॉजिटिव करके ही आओगे, सो
करके आओगे.
सिंपल है, हाँ।
And how is this whole presidentship? Because it's not just 1 year. I think it usually turns out to be 2-3 years at a stretch that you
Yeah.
have to be completely invested and be there, be seen, be heard, kind of a thing. How is your family? Though I know personally because I know your wife very well, but how difficult was that to
आई थिंक
cope
उनके
with
लिए
that?
ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट रहा होगा मेरे से, चाहे
Sure.
वो कहीं ना कहीं देव नेवर कंप्लेंट, इवन इफ वंस और ट्वाइस दे से कि यार टाइम नहीं देते, बट दैट्स अ स्टेटमेंट, बट आई नो कि हाउ, एंड यू हैव आल्सो सीन इट यार, आई थिंक यू आर प्रीटी मच देयर व्हेन आई वाज देयर, तो आई थिंक we've seen the family do take a back seat for at least 2-3 years. You try to balance it on weekends, but then हो जाता है, but you need a very understanding family to do all this. नहीं हो सकता family के support के बिना, unless you're a bachelor, which is fine, then it's your choice, but family थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है, कोई ऐसा नहीं बोल सकता कि मतलब हम हमारा तो कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ा,
It does take time.
it does take time, and it does take a toll on your family also, but I think till the time it is manageable, however you manage it, घुमा लो, कुछ चीज़ें हैं वो पूरी कर लो, be there on the important days at least, or whatever way you can, करना पड़ेगा।
And also, one of the things that I'm bringing to your notice, what I have noticed in the last 4-5 years, you have moved from being quite an introvertish personality to an extrovertish person. So how do you think that has happened? I'm very
यार वो मतलब मेरे को लगता है कि lot of people think कि just because somebody is not speaking doesn't mean that he doesn't have a say.
true that.
है ना, और somebody is not speaking is weak. वो गलत है, मुझे ऐसा लगता नहीं है, just because you are thinking, you just soaking in all in, जब टाइम आएगा तो आपको उसको यूज़ भी करना है, अप्लाई भी करना है, for good, not for bad, for good.
Right, of course.
And I think ये एक चीज़ रही थी, मुझे लगता था कि I got good education, I was hard working, I'm still am, I try कि जितना ज़्यादा हो सके मैं काम करूँ, लेकिन ये एक रहता था कि I was not very good with people. मुझे अभी भी याद है कि जब स्कूल कैप्टन हुआ करता था मैं, दिस इज़ वे बैक इन स्कूल डेज, तो स्कूल कैप्टन जब हुआ करते थे तो 11th 12th के टाइम की बात है, पहले वाइस कैप्टन बना, फिर कैप्टन बना, तो मुझे पहली बार स्टेज पे स्कूल में बोला वो थॉट्स फॉर द डे और ये सब, शायद अब पता नहीं होते हैं कि नहीं, मतलब बहुत डर लगता था यार, मतलब आई यूज्ड टू काइंड ऑफ 700-800 बच्चा आपके सामने खड़ा है, एंड देन यू स्कूल कैप्टन, यू नीड टू अनाउंस, डू द इम्पॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट्स, टॉक अबाउट थिंग, तो डर लगता था बिकॉज आई हैव नेवर टेकन स्टेज, बहुत चुपचाप रहता था, इंट्रोवर्ट रहता था, मैं तो बात भी नहीं करता था किसी से फालतू में, तो वो फिर ना लगने लग गया था कि यार दिस इज़ नॉट गोना वर्क दिस वे. इट टुक मी ऑफ कोर्स more than 2 decades to
Kind of,
start speaking, start networking where I don't know people. I still cannot do the way you do it. आप तो मेरे अभी भी गुरु हो उस चीज़
oh,
में.
please.
I'm still learning from you, but coming this from you that I've started kind of this, तो मुझे लग रहा है compliment ही होगा.
No, 100%. It is
हाँ.
absolutely meant
तो
as a compliment, and it's such a wonderful change because you are one of the few people that I like to listen to. मतलब एक तो होते हैं ना introvert से
कोई तो
extrovert हो
सुनता
गए
है.
और उसके बाद वो फिर suddenly you're just saying things because you have a role or a profile or a position to
Yeah,
say
so
it, right?
Anjali, my wife always jokes about it कि यार मतलब तुम लोग का घर पे तुम सब चुप ही रहते हो, बात तो तुम
बाहर तो
बाहर ही
सारी
करते हो.
गप्पे सारी बाहर
है
ही
ना,
डलती
रितिका,
है.
सतीश, पुनीत and everybody else and all of you,
Right.
four of you chill out. So
Right.
ठीक है यार, मतलब comfort हो गया है, अब बात कर सकते हैं तो अच्छा
And I
लगता
think
है.
there's just so much of time that we've all spent with each other. There's just so
Exactly.
much to also talk about,
Yes.
and there's
And
just
वो
common.
नहीं होगा तो you cannot even work. मैंने बोला ना, मतलब for Thai it's all about friendship and respect. So that very
Right.
basic rule. लोग पता नहीं बहुत difficult बना देते हैं इसे. इतना difficult होगा नहीं अगर if you're good to go with people around, and that's it.
I think it also depends on the kind of goodwill you have with people. है ना?
Possibly,
कि,
yes.
Generally, just getting along with people is just such a positive place to be in.
Yes.
So I want to ask you that we have so many associate members in Thai Chandigarh as of now. What is your single piece of advice to them that when they've joined Thai, of course they must have joined because one of networking, community, meant वो जो हमारे 5 pillars हैं जिनके बारे में हम बात करते हैं. But if you were to give them a piece of advice to kind of make sure that both of them benefit, of course the community and then they individually themselves, what would that be?
I think for all the associate members, one, thanks for trusting on Thai, and second, you're at right place. Now just use this thing to learn as much as you can. But don't overdo things because with so much knowledge and gyan going across right now, it's very easy to get lost as well.
Right.
मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मैं आज एसोसिएट मेंबर ज्वाइन करूँगा, इतने सेशंस होते हैं हमारे पास, इतना कुछ चल रहा है, सो मच टू डू, बट देन योर कोर बिजनेस इज नॉट दिस, योर कोर बिजनेस इज बैक एट योर ऑफिस. सो वट एवर लर्निंग यू आर डूइंग, लर्निंग करने के लिए शायद 2 घंटे की मास्टर क्लास चाहिए, उसको अप्लाई करने के लिए 2 साल लग सकते हैं, 3 साल लग सकते हैं. तो टेक 3 priority things that you think are getting or the problem that you're trying to solve for next 2-3 years. Connect or learn from one of those sessions or one of those mentors in Thai, and this just apply it for 2-3 years. और वो करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो आप खो जाओगे.
There's just too much of
Too much,
information, I
yes.
think. And that's true for all of us, I
For
guess.
all of us, yeah. When you go meet people, there is no harm, but एक associate member में मतलब I am kind of taking some assumptions here कि they are at a small size, they're
Right.
trying to grow. मतलब ये सब assumptions के साथ बोल रहा हूँ. Limited resources होते हैं, मैं भी उस स्टेज पे था.
जी.
अभी भी ऐसा नहीं कि अनगिनत resources हैं, but अभी हैं. तो जब आपके पास नहीं है तो आपको 2 या 3 एरियाज चूज़ करने हैं और उस पर एटलीस्ट 6 to 12 months काम करना है. रिजल्ट्स दिखेंगे तो और बढ़ा लो, नहीं दिखेंगे तो ड्रॉप करो और नेक्स्ट चीज़ उठाओ या नेक्स्ट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन या नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस पे वर्क करो. और वो इटरेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एक स्टार्टिंग बिजनेस के लिए, बिकॉज टाइम लिमिटेड है, रिसोर्सेज लिमिटेड है, मनी लिमिटेड है, यू आर ऑलवेज ऑन योर रनवेज आर गेटिंग आउट. तो वो बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है.
Yeah, because I think that it's very easy to lose your focus somewhere.
Very
so
easily.
that because
Very
I think we are covering so many aspects of professional life and so many aspects of a business that you probably just need to pick and choose the ones that
Exactly.
really matter to
Matters to you for the
to
next
grow.
12 months.
No,
Yeah.
correct. Okay. So now my question is that Harit, you've traveled a lot. And when I'm saying traveling, I'm talking about Thai traveling. I'm not talking about personal traveling. You have, literally put Thai Chandigarh on the map, on the global map of Thai. And you interacted with practically most, presidents and secretariats across the globe. What do you think is the one thing which Thai Chandigarh is missing completely? Vis-a-vis others. Of course, we have our strong points
I
as well.
think Thai Chandigarh में ऐसा कुछ strong miss नहीं हो रहा है. We probably need some of our businesses to grow even bigger. The community has to grow even bigger. The GDP of the city and the state, has to go even bigger. when you compare us for the kind of things that we are doing, probably we must be at one of the most vibrant, most dynamic chapter in across globe, just not India.
Wow.
And one, we need to keep doing it because impact just doesn't come in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years ना, 5-10 साल का एक cycle होता है, तो वो continuity बनी रहनी चाहिए. One thing that I also really liked about is there is a really good as far as what I have seen, there is really good continuity amongst presidents that's happening. From last at least 5 that I have seen till the time that I am, and now Satish is, and then the next one who would be coming. तो ये सब जो कंटिन्यूटी है ना, ये बहुत अच्छे से चल रही है. द नॉलेज ट्रांसफ़र, द विजन ट्रांसफ़र, द विजडम, द एक्सपीरियंस ट्रांसफ़र is going really well. That I'm not sure other chapters, not all other chapters may be doing it. And this is what I felt when I was, there. There are some chapters who are doing fantastically well, and we could also learn from. One thing that I still think we are not there is that we have to really start winning some of the global awards and on a consistent basis.
Right.
And that is just not because we are not working, it's because we need really quality ideas, quality startups, quality companies, quality resources from this place, so that we have to see people around us to get more successful and then keep learning from them. तो वो जो एक चीज़ है, that I think we still need to work in the next 2-3 years very hard to make sure that our school students from 8th to 12th via TYE get awarded, just not because they get an award, but because they're fantastic life-changing startup idea or startup prototype that they're doing, or some universities doing some path-breaking work. Women entrepreneurs should come fast. Regular or older entrepreneurs should go even bigger, go for IPOs, make even big impact. So ये सब होगा. I think time लग रहा है, but ये होगा, जल्दी होगा. I'm very hopeful about it. Yeah.
And I think just a couple of success stories will again change the entire dynamics
That's
for this entire ecosystem.
Spark consistent आता रहे, मतलब हर 6 महीने में कुछ ना कुछ बड़ी story आनी चाहिए.
And but my last question to you, Harit, that you've seen now from a president's point of view that there are so many communities, and all of us are somehow trying to now, which is I think one of the most fantastic things that I've also personally noticed, that all of us are working towards the same cause. अब आप किसी भी event पे चले जाओ, you end up meeting the same faces, people, and everybody is probably as driven, and so what is your take on that?
What is my take on
that how these communities are now coming together?
No, I think वो और भी अच्छा है. मुझे लगता है वो और भी अच्छा है. I think if everybody will start seeing कि it's not about one community versus other, it's about the area that has to grow collectively. It is about our youth getting jobs. It is about Chandigarh or Punjab and this part of the world getting more success stories. Everybody has to pool in their efforts. Everybody has their own specialization. Everybody has their own learnings, their own good points. I think you have to bring in the strengths of every community together to make this a success story, and weakness have to kind of dwindle down as we keep moving. We can always learn from each other on that. वो सबका साथ सबका विकास जो है वो is actually a thing, and it should actually happen. And I'm glad. I think at least till now what I've seen is every community by and large that is there, TiE works with them, they work with TiE, and it will I think it is a responsibility of president also that this should never be disrupted.
Absolutely.
It has to go the way, and competition ठीक है यार, कहीं कहीं हो भी जाता होगा, but by and large there should be one vision, which is upliftment of the entire area.
Ecosystem and the startup at the end of the day.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, Harit, for joining us today. It's been a complete delight, and I hope all of you enjoyed this
Thank
too.
you, Ritika.
Thank you.
Nice, very nice talking to you.
Yes, it was
Wonderful
a great
set of
conversation.
questions. Thank you.
Thank you.